Welcome back, you guys. This is Wilbert. I'm gonna be showing you this house over here in Apple Valley. So this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house built in 1974. Asking price is $415 on this one. Nice little brick fireplace right there. So this house is staged. No one lives here. Props to our staging people. So over here, we're gonna have the first bedroom. This is my temporary office while I'm here. So we have the kitchen right here. The open house goodie bags or goodies. So over here is gonna be the garage. They made this little living area outside. You know, it doesn't feel too bad. I think right now it's about 83 outside. It doesn't feel too hot. And then it helps that the fan is here. It's a little short, but you know, you won't bang your head on it. So this is gonna be the master bedroom. Let's show you the rest of the house. So you have your sink, full restroom, for your wife when she's getting ready. You have the California driveway. So that was room number 2. Room number 3, and then this is room number 4. It does sit on a pretty big lot. It is 2 acres. So this takes us out. It's a little windy. So you have some storage space. So all this is fenced off, but this fence right here, that's not the end of the property. It extends all the way out over there. Same with this one. You have the chain link fence, but it doesn't stop here. Your property doesn't stop here. It goes over there. So you have all that space to get creative. But yeah, this is the house, you guys. Let me know what you think. Apple Valley Desert Living. Nice view though of the mountains. Let me go this way. So just right here, there's a hiking trail. There used to be an abandoned house at the top of this hill, but they tore it down because people kept breaking in and doing stuff, as you guys may guess. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Apple Valley listed at $415. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. On to the next one.